Hello, internet people. Today I'm going to be working on the Ranger again for the frame restoration. If you guys are new and you want to get caught up above is the last video where I did exactly what I just said. Okay, and if you're wondering why the last video was on the TT and why I'm not continuing on that, that is because it is waiting for parts. So I will have another video coming on this soon. But now I must disassemble this frame so I can send it off to get powder coated. I'm playing Stacko Rango. That's actual game. Because I don't have enough room to do 2 cars at once and bring vehicles in here to film car reviews. Oh geez, this is gonna be tricky. Oh, the front tires are flat. Well, this creates a bit of a dilemma. It's kind of hard to roll a frame on a flat tire. I'd say I just gotta put my ass into it, but let's face it, I don't have a lot of weight on my side. I need this over so this can get out of here. This twin I-beam front end is proving to be a bit of a challenge. Pump up the gym, pump it up a little louder. Something, something. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. Why is this not working? I'm dumb. This video must be so entertaining for my trolls because they get to see me struggle like an idiot. I need a shop tug. Wonder if I could convert my go-kart to a diesel and make it do some work. Oh, there's my drive shaft. I gotta drop these drive shafts off and get them rebuilt anyway. Don't worry, I'm gonna get to work in a second. Just let me struggle a little bit more. I gotta make some space, all right? This is the stuff I never put in videos because I'm like, oh, they don't want to see this stuff. You guys don't want to watch me struggle and see what I have to do every day while I'm making these videos. This is what I do. That should be plenty of room to egress the Ranger out of here. Storage too, just to make some extra room. That was fun. I bottomed out a lot.
I heard you going over the gate thing.
Yeah, it hurt. Now that I'm back, it's time to strip. For those of you that are not aware with what is going on here, this frame needs to be as bare as possible because I need to get everything on here sandblasted and powder coated. And because all the components on my Ranger are likely rotted out down here that are attached to the frame, I gotta try to harvest everything I can off of this one. I'm assuming this is an engine torque damper. It's only on one side of the frame. This one is still good. It's the only thing I can think of that this would be for though. Stuff like these body mounts right here are completely smoked on either one of the frames. So I ordered a set of these guys right here. Got it. I don't always have the correct job to get the tool done. Tool to get the job done? Tool to get, what did I say? Goodbye, old shock. What kind of shocks were these? Motorcraft. These were the original shocks, or they just bought more Motorcraft. That's probably what they did. You're a hammer today. Mount St. Helens Hot Pocket, that thing's in there. There we go. I now understand why I don't have many viewers under the age of 24, because I say shit like that. Next up. Yep, that looks like that needs to get the f out of here. I wasted so much time on that body mount that I need to Pareto principle the rest of this. So I'm gonna take off all the big stuff. Oh, Jesus! Time to do some stupid shit. Do-da, do-da. I'm guessing this is empty. Oh no, it's got gas in it. Well, it's pretty heavy. Not bad. No, it's not heavy. There. What is this? What's this stud? What kind of stud is this? I have never seen a blue stud like this before. That's weird. Really wish I wouldn't have killed my only Sawzall blade on cutting that body mount off and just gotten the correct tool to do it to begin with. Because now I can't cut this exhaust into pieces. This is not going to be fun to remove. Ooh, come on. Bon voyage. Oh. I don't know if I can get this out in one piece. It'll be magic if so. And just so you guys know, the same thing I did in the Audi, I'm doing on this. Everything I remove, I'm labeling it exactly where it goes so I'll know exactly what hole it went on the frame. Hello. It's the next day. I got some more stripping to do. I want to work on this thing instead so bad right now, but I have to wait for parts. Also, if you weren't aware, I'm giving the TT away. There is a link in the video description below for your chance to win it. If you guys are wondering how these giveaways work that you see car YouTubers do, basically the merchandise sales that give you entries to win the car, once those sales add up and everyone is paid that helped orchestrate the entire giveaway, whatever is left over is profit is what I will get in return. There is a possibility I could end up upside down on this, and that would be really bad, and that would mean I would not be able to replace the TT with another project car. So it's kind of risky, and if it does well, then what I want to be able to provide for you guys for the next project car will be able to happen. Pickle Rick. Wow, his cotter pin underneath here is all rusted, and it just pulled right out nice and easy. I bent it. There we go. Look at this. It's like ramen noodles growing off of it. This is actually where ramen noodles come from. They grow on vehicles in junkyards, and Nissan just, they harvest them. They have people go harvest them in junkyards. I'd rather not have two videos of me tearing this frame apart because there's just so many little pieces. It's easy, but it's time consuming to film. So a Charlie was summoned. I don't know if it was so much summoned or if I bamboozled you.
Swindled.
I swindled you?
Yeah.
Double team. Teamwork. Teamwork. What's it doing?
It's stuck.
No matter what you do, if you say carefling while you're doing it, it's always carefler. Can you imagine having to do this on my frame?
No, that's why I've been saying to frame swap this, like literally since we picked the truck up.
This would, I don't
It'd
think
be a
this would have been
nightmare.
possible.
No, that's what I was like, frame swap it as soon as I saw it, because I'm like, no, doing this would be...
Yeah. I was just in my head thinking that to preserve my Graham's truck, everything had to be original. But like, it doesn't have the original wiper blades on it, doesn't have the original fluids in it, doesn't have the original bulbs in it. So at what point do you draw the line with originality versus just saving shit?
I don't know, sometimes I get it like with the muscle cars. People be like, oh, it's a barn find, it's all original. I'm like, bro, it's a 5-gallon bucket full of rust and a VIN tag. Like, it's worthless.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all original, but...
At the end of the day, vehicles are designed to be driven, and if the thing is sketchy and just a pile of crap that's band-aided together, what's the point of it? I feel like it's gonna go so far and then stop. Yep. That thing is really wedged in there. Unfortunately, if you look right here on the cross member where the radius arm comes through, it's completely destroyed and actually cut into the frame a little bit right there because someone was neglecting to replace bushings when they went bad. So you gotta repair that. I'm gonna try to find a cross member out of a junkyard instead. Is it going?
We gotta do the other side first. I was trying to avoid that because that's the side with the pumpkin, so it's heavier than shit. Yeah, but...
You can bring it down to the ground, a whole lift.
Yeah, just...
I mean, then it's on the ground. Wouldn't it be way easier if it's on the ground?
Yeah. Yeah, why don't we do that?
Never in my life did I think I would have to deal with this, but we're under a tornado warning right now. In Tucson. This is so weird having this happen in Tucson. I don't understand this right now.
That's potentially tornado producing. All these clips.
Jeez! Anyway, back to work. Is it coming out? Yay! See, that's what I was gonna do by myself.
There you go.
Nothing. Good. You see right in the center of the screen, the little cluster of clouds right there? It does have a tiny bit of rotation to it. Highly doubt it's gonna actually make a funnel, but it's just kind of neat because you don't ever see this in this part of the country. You probably noticed that the floor is clean. That's because I've mopped and swept twice just today. I want to make sure it stays clean in here now I got it nice and organized. It's a slightly repetitive video, but I mean, it's a repetitive process. Remove stuff to powder coat. This little doodad sucks. A lot of the stuff is riveted. I guess I could cut the rivets off and replace them with bolts, but that's just excessive. A bundle of hardware. Got a shelf going of everything that needs to go to powder coating and a box full of the hardware that's not getting powder coated. Oh geez, I can't wait to be done this. So close. 19? Weird, it's 19, all right. Oh jeez. Ow, that's my finger. Yep, there it is. Oh, this boy's gonna be heavy right here. Oh yeah. I can't summon a Charlie for this one. I just gotta do it. Oh my god, this is heavy. There we go. There's the entire frame on a shelf. Don't worry about those. Those are for the focus. Whew. Back half. Front half. The half I'm standing in. All I got left to do is take out the body mounts, but I'm gonna make a little tool to do that and take out the little clipper doodles like these random guys. We'll call this done though. So next video I'm gonna do is, I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing from now. It all depends on parts. So it's gonna be on either the Ranger or the TT. Who knows? And again, if you guys want to win TeeTer ToT when it's all finished, link in the video description below. Kind of tricky doing two vehicles at once, but as long as I keep it clean in here, I think I can pull it off. So I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye.